Assalamu alaikum everybody. A message for you all today, that is hope. You must have hope, and you must move and you must do something with hope, because everybody and every human being, he does something. He does it because he has hope that what he's doing is worth it, and after doing something worth it, he's gonna get something worth it. That is hope, and that is why, that is the reason that somebody is moving and somebody is working hard and somebody is doing something, even if he does not want to do it. So hope is very important, because it will make you do some things that you don't even want to do. Why? Because you have hope that you're gonna get some things that are worth it, and that will help you get better, or that will you know give you something that is important in your life, and or something you want. For example, you want a business, and you will work hard for it, and you will invest, you will work hard, you will do a lot of things. Why? Because you have hope that one day you're gonna have a big business. And for example, you want something else, you're gonna work hard and you're gonna do all of the things that are necessary, so you can get something. And the reason is always hope, that you have hope that you can get it. You have hope. You believe in God and you have hope. So pray, work hard, and you must always have hope, because without hope there is no reason for you to do something, and you might not do it. Trust me, someday you're gonna say that if you don't have hope, you're not gonna do it. And trust me, hope is not something that is gonna come to you, or hope is not something that you need to see that there is hope. No, hope is inside you, hope is in your heart, hope is in your mind. That if you have hope in your mind, if you have hope in your heart, you're gonna do some impossible things. That is actually what hope is. So hope is in your mind and hope is in your heart. All right, so don't sorry about that. Don't think that if you're seeing hope in things, then you must do something. No, you must have hope in your heart and mind. All right, it is very important. The hope in heart and mind is very important. Other things, even if they seem hopeless, but you have hope in your heart and mind, nature is gonna do something. God is going to help you. All right, God is going to help you. Trust me, if you have hope in your mind and your heart, that's it. Have hope, always have hope. That's it. I'll see you guys in the next. Assalamu alaikum.